Welcome. This short tutorial will be showing you how to turn off Brave notifications. All right. So first up, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off websites notifications. And the second one is for Brave ads or Brave rewards. Okay. So for website notifications, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. Now go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, click on settings. In here in the left panel, we have privacy and security. Click on it. Now go ahead and find site settings and controls. Okay, this one. So just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit, and under permissions we have notifications. Okay, so click on notifications and just make sure that this button or radio button is ticked. Okay, don't allow sites to send notifications. Tick on it. Now once done, you're good to go. All right. Now the other option is for Brave rewards. You can go ahead and click on this Brave rewards icon, or if you don't have that icon, well, just go ahead over to Brave /rewards. Okay, hit on enter. There you go. Now go ahead and click on add settings. Now just disable all. All right, and that's basically it. That is how you turn off Brave notifications. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.